In this video, we'll explore skipping Discord's phone number verification process, introducing methods that are currently effective as of April 2025. Verification plays a crucial role in keeping accounts safe and preventing bots from taking over. Let's understand why it matters. Many users wish to skip verification due to privacy concerns, hassle, or time constraints. These are valid reasons. In the past, methods like using fake numbers or alternate accounts were common. But things have changed. For April 2025, we'll discuss innovative techniques that can help you skip verification. Here's your step-by-step guide on how to effectively skip the phone number verification process. It's essential to understand that skipping verification comes with its risks, including account bans. Instead of skipping verification, consider using temporary numbers for a safer alternative. Let's hear from users who've experienced success or faced challenges when attempting to skip verification. In conclusion, consider both the benefits and risks. Is skipping verification the right choice for you?